How do we know how far away the stars are? Do we measure the distance to the stars in light years? Not exactly. You see, it's really hard to measure the distance to the stars. So instead of measuring it in miles or kilometers, we measure it in light years. 1 light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year, which is about 6 trillion miles. That's a really long way to travel for a photon. But how do we measure this distance? Well, it's not as easy as pointing a telescope at a star and seeing how far it is. That would be too easy. Instead, astronomers use a technique called parallax measurement. What they do is they point a telescope at a star and then they move the Earth's position relative to the star. As the Earth moves, the star appears to move as well. And by measuring how much the star moves, astronomers can calculate the distance to it. This is obviously not a very precise method, but it gets the job done. And it's the best way we have of measuring the distances between stars. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that those stars are incredibly far away, and we've only been able to measure their distance thanks to some really clever math and physics.